If you're a doctor who needs to make presentations, then I have a free tool today that can be quite useful to you. You can convert any complex paragraph into a set of bullet points that are presentation ready, complete with speaker notes and a visual suggestion. All it requires is a single click. Let me show you how it works. Before that, I am Ram Gopal from presentationprocess.com. We help doctors and educators present better. The free tool that I would be sharing with you today is Slidify This by presentationprocess.com. You can start by clicking on this. Here is all you need to do. Paste your paragraph and optionally add like how many bullets you want, 3, 5 or 7. By default, you will get 5 bullet points. Let us see the practical demo. First, let me go to a journal. This is an article on tennis elbow, a clinical review. Here is the abstract. I'm going to copy the entire text from here. Then go here. I can say how many bullets I want. Maybe I can write now, say bullets equals 7. And then shift enter, paste Control V and hit enter. That is all you need to do. First, you get a slide headline. Tennis elbow is a common overuse injury driven by repetitive wrist loading. Now you will notice that this is an assertion title or an action title where there is a claim made. Normally, doctors use a label headline like this, say tennis elbow, which doesn't really give any information to the participants. Now let us see the list of bullets. The first one is pain develops at tendon attachment site. Second, dominant arm is affected more often. You can see that the bullets are clearly stating the point without overusing words. Normally, I see two types of bullets. One is this cryptic bullet point style, like say outer elbow pain, dominant arm, etc., which doesn't really give anything to the listeners. Or you get the wordy bullets, which are complete in itself, making the presenter redundant. I wouldn't recommend that either. Let us say you go to ChatGPT and ask the LLM to generate slides from the text. Let us copy the same exact text, convert this text into bullet points, and then you paste like the way that we did and hit enter. See this, the number of bullets actually is quite a few based on the amount of text covered, and see the amount of words used per bullet. Lateral epicondylitis is a common condition causing pain and tenderness around the common extensor origin of the elbow. Now this is a complete sentence. This is what you are expected to give as an explanation after the bullet point shows up on the slide. Now, talking about what you're supposed to say after you show the bullet points, we have the complete speaking cues available for each of the bullet points. For example, to explain the first bullet point, which is pain develops at tendon attachment site, the explanation is, the pain usually starts where the forearm extended tendons attach to the outer elbow. Patients often describe tenderness that worsens when gripping or lifting objects. And you have the explanation for each of the 7 bullet points here. And above the speaking cues, you will see this one-line summary of the entire content on the slide. We call this the core message. This is the message that your audience needs to leave with if they don't remember anything else. Now, after the core message and the speaking cues, you have the suggested visual here. The suggested visual in this case is a cause and effect diagram. The center needs to be lateral epicondylitis and the branches need to be this. So there is a clear description of how the diagram needs to be. So that means now you know exactly how to create the diagram inside PowerPoint. Or let us say you are a customer of our comprehensive all-in-one PowerPoint templates bundle, then you know exactly where to look for the specific diagram. This was actually meant to be a resource only for our comprehensive all-in-one bundle customers, but we decided to share it with all the doctors for free so they too can have the benefit of converting any text into meaningful bullets that are slide ready. The link for the product is in the description box below the video. You don't need any paid subscription to Custom GPT to use this tool. It is totally free. So click on the link in the description box below and sign up to get this free tool which you can use for life.